The rules for meditation are similar to the rules for driving a car. Follow simple instructions. The rules for meditation are similar to the rules for driving a car. Yes. So, when you drive a car, you need to know where is the accelerator, where is the brake, where is the clutch. Without that, you cannot drive the car. And you should know how to use it. Bolo, you should know how to use it, not know where it is. A, B, C. मुझे मालूम है. तो उसको यूज कैसे करोगे? कब यूज करोगे? हाँ, ब्रेक की जगह एक्सेलरेटर ज्यादा दबा दिया तो हो गया काम. मेरे साथ ऐसे ही हुआ. So you have to understand there are certain rules, it has to be followed, it has to be understood, and it is very simple thereafter. We need to follow simple instructions. On the road, you cannot say, I will experiment with clutch instead of brake. You will just have to follow as it is. Now, similarly, are the rules of spirituality and rules of meditation. When we cannot experiment with a simple thing like a car, because we may meet with an accident, I really don't understand why people don't understand this on the spiritual path or in life. लाइफ में भी कुछ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस होती है जिसको पालन नहीं करने से कुछ एक्सीडेंट्स हो सकती है क्योंकि उनके आंखों में ये रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस दिखती नहीं है और एक्सीडेंट्स को समझ नहीं सकते बिकॉज सी लिसन टू मी the law of karma, the law of cause and effect, and so many other laws which guide the person's life is so simple. But since when you are doing something wrong, you cannot see that you're going to hit somewhere, you're going to hit a roadblock, you're going to cause an accident. When the accident is done, you do not understand why it has been done because the karma has been done. That is why the accident has been done. Similarly, as if you do not follow the proper simple rules of a car, there is a possibility of the car getting hit unnecessarily. Yes. So there are extremely simple rules. Extremely simple rules. Yes, many of us would feel that driving a car is more harder than doing a meditation. So the rules of the meditation are very simple. We need to just follow it. Heart and soul, if we follow it, it gives us the outcome.